In a recent development capturing the attention of academic and financial circles alike, billionaire investor Kenneth Griffin has passionately called upon his alma mater, Harvard University, to reaffirm its commitment to Western values. Amid what he perceives as a seismic shift rippling through college campuses nationwide, emblematic of a broader cultural revolution reshaping the landscape of U.S. education. Griffin, widely recognized as the visionary founder of Citadel, a prominent hedge fund, articulated a poignant plea for Harvard to embrace the foundational principles of meritocracy and the pursuit of truth and knowledge, which he contends have been eroded over the past decade. His fervent advocacy for Harvard to serve as a bastion of Western values stems from a deep-seated belief in their pivotal role in fostering the greatness of the nation. Notably, Griffin's impassioned call to action comes against the backdrop of his substantial philanthropic contributions to Harvard, exceeding $500 million, underscoring his profound commitment to the institution and its enduring legacy. However, Griffin's steadfast support for his alma mater has not been without reservations, as he recently expressed profound dissatisfaction with the university's handling of issues pertaining to anti-Semitism, a stance that prompted him to suspend further donations. Furthermore, Griffin astutely observed that the current wave of campus unrest and protests, often characterized by their theatricality akin to performative art, is symptomatic of the broader cultural revolution pervading American education. This sentiment finds resonance in the recent surge of arrests targeting pro-Palestinian activists at universities nationwide, where demands for a ceasefire in Gaza and divestment from companies with ties to Israel have intensified. Since the initial wave of arrests at Columbia University, the number of detained demonstrators has skyrocketed to over 2,600 across 39 states and Washington, D.C., marking a poignant moment of reckoning for institutions grappling with the complexities of academic freedom and social justice advocacy. Moreover, Griffin's critique of elite university education, particularly focusing on the perceived shortcomings of the DI agenda, diversity, equity, and inclusion, reverberated during his address at the Managed Funds Association conference in Miami earlier this year. His candid appraisal underscores broader concerns surrounding the evolving landscape of higher education and the tensions between ideological paradigms shaping academic discourse. Simultaneously, amidst the backdrop of academic unrest, a parallel narrative unfolds in the realm of employment, where frustrated job seekers navigate the treacherous waters of corporate hiring software. In a bid to circumvent the inherent inefficiencies of traditional application processes, an increasing number of applicants are turning to artificial intelligence to craft meticulously tailored cover letters and resumes, deploying automated bots to mass apply for hundreds of jobs with unprecedented efficiency. However, this burgeoning reliance on AI has inadvertently sparked a bot versus bot war, exacerbating the challenges of securing interviews or jobs and leaving both applicants and employers grappling with the unintended consequences of technological innovation. In essence, Griffin's impassioned call for Harvard to reaffirm its commitment to Western values encapsulates a broader narrative of societal introspection, as institutions grapple with the profound implications of cultural upheaval and technological disruption. As the echoes of discontent reverberate across campuses and corporate boardrooms alike, the imperative for dialogue and introspection becomes increasingly pronounced, heralding a pivotal moment of reckoning for the future of education and employment in the digital age.